AB into cat replica questions. AB into A minus B is 45045. A and B are natural numbers. Some people will say ignore the domain. For me, strict no. There is a root cause of the problem. AB into A minus B is 45045. I will come to the doubt what if tens place is even, because I want every student sitting in the class to understand the number tree. Number tree is not the first page in your fundamentals book. Excellent questions can be prepared. A and B are natural numbers. A is even, B is odd. Next case, A is odd, B is even. Next case, A is even, B is even. Next case, A is odd, B is odd. So, even into odd into, even minus odd is odd. Any number multiplied by an even number, answer should be an even number. It is odd into odd minus even is odd. Answer is still even. Even into even minus even is even. Answer should be an even number. Odd into odd minus odd is an even number. Any number multiplied by even, answer is an even number. The person who created this question, he does not even understood that silly thing students will identify. This is an odd number, but the right hand side is an even number. Answer is no value. Answer is no value of x comma y exists. Please try to solve only quality questions in your coaching center. See, when you solve quality questions the way, right, your understanding of the concept will grow.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.